No, now I just opened this. Brought it to work. It's supposed to be a radio for work. However, I love the fact that it can set the time itself. However, when you go to put on the radio, it doesn't have FM, or it's not clear on the stations as FM. The tuner, when you go to change it, the band, I'll switch. So you'll see, hold on, 98.9. Turn the volume up. Wait, hold on. Okay, where's my volume button? Bear with me. This is what Power 99 sounds like. Then when you go back, that's 99. So I would think it's FM. I see the AM at the top. Very staticky. No radio at all. I don't like this product because I need it for work, just for when I want to hear the radio. And I went on to other stations as well. Same thing for any FM stations. It's not a good look. I don't like that.
The time is 5:44. I said it many times. That time. The clock. Set done, detective. I reset it many times. Detective.
She leads me to moonlight, only to burn me with the sun.
Radicó mal desde el momento en el que el mismo Osorio dejó hablar de más a sus jugadores. Que la prensa mexicana no quisiera escribir algo por...
This clock does not work anymore. Do not buy one.
Voted to strike overnight.
This is the alarm set. So it's on. See, it did not come on. It does not work, so do not buy this Emerson clock.